So, use the room dimension class, clear my doubles, make it so I can set the double using my demo. The actual calculation for getting the area. And this is the constructor. It makes it so it can pull two other capacities. Actually kind of confused for this lesson, not gonna lie. Java led me through. Here's the room carpet class, where I pull the object room dimension from room dimension. Here is where I get the carpet price. And here is where I calculate the cost of the carpet times the dimensions of the area. And here's just where I run it through, get the length, get the width, get the price per square foot, pull the total from room carpet. So it's not letting me demo anymore, anything but the first one I did. I don't know why. I've exited out of it, I've reopened it. I've gone back and forth, but I don't know if it runs or not, because every time I hit run, it's demo. And when I click down here, it's not an option. Run configurations, which I don't know what means, but then I scroll through and for some reason, nothing is showing up. I'm not really sure what to do. Like, I don't get why they're not in there. But here's my geometry class for the second one. Here's where you get the area of a circle. Here's where you get the area of a square. Here's where you get the area of a triangle. Here's the actual, if you pick area of circle, if you pick the area of a rectangle, if you pick the area of a triangle. I don't see any errors, but it won't run, so I don't know. It's where I define the integer picks, or the scanner pulls the pick they put. Here's where it sends an error message if they pick an option that's not available. Here's the area of circle, area of rectangle, area of triangle. Back up here, area of circle, area of rectangle, area of triangle. I have no idea if it works. I think it does, because I'm not seeing an error, but I can't get it to run, so tried exit out of it. Yes, I do want to exit. Saves the workplace. Eventually will launch, maybe. I don't know. This is super frustrating. Here we go, it's back open. Still, when I hit run, it goes back to my first one. No, yep, no, back to demo. I do not understand why. But I've also, you can see, this is the original one under Chapter 6, P11. Here's where I just copied and pasted it into a new one to see if it would work, and it still will not work, so I do not know what to do. But I'm really frustrated because I know the next project's going to be harder, and I don't know how I'm going to get anywhere if I can't test it. So it is still not letting me demo them. I've tried a variety of other things. It just really wants to make sure I know that this one works. Yay, it still works. I don't know if these work, but here's my coin to get a random coin toss. I changed it a little bit from what it was so it would work better for this. And added in that. And I don't think that this is the best way to do it. I don't even know if it really works. But I don't know how to test it, and I have work I have to do before tomorrow for my job. So this is where I'm at. Here I declare guesses, declare the scores, set them at 0. I don't know if this does anything, to be honest. That was what Java kind of told me. The error messages led me there. This is my while both scores are below 5. Have them enter 1 for heads, 0 for tails. This is where I get the coin toss from over here. And these are my if and else ifs. So, I need to do this. So, while they're both below 5, run through this. If both of them get it right, they both get 1. Player 1 gets it wrong, player 2 gets it right. Subtracted. They both get it wrong, they both get -1. So on and so forth. And then here's while player 1 score equals 5 and player 2 score doesn't equal 5. Congratulations, player 1. Switch that. Congratulations, player 2. And if they both hit 5 at the same time, tied game. I hope it actually runs like a program, but it will not let me test it. Also, probably gonna email you about setting up an appointment to see if I can figure out how to manage Eclipse better, because this was very frustrating.